So guys, today I'll unbox the Mivi Collar 2 wireless earphones. So this is the neck collar earphones. So as you can see the box, I also have the Mivi Collar 1, and if you want to see the comparison, subscribe and click the bell icon. Mivi Collar 1 versus 2, the video will be out soon. And here you can see the box, the Mivi Collar 2 wireless earphones, HD stereo sound, and you can read these things if you want to. 1 year limited warranty, and this is the box. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. And so now you can see here it is written deep and powerful bass, 10 hours playtime, Bluetooth 5.0. So without wasting any further time, let's open the box. So we will open it from here. Here are two seals, and let's take it out now. And here we go. You have to open it from here also, then push it from here and pull it from here. So this is the box, and 1 year warranty registration. Okay, this is the warranty registration something, and we will keep it here. And here are the Mivi Collar 2. So let's check this out and let's see what's more is in the box. We'll keep it simply here, and let's see what's more in there. Something is there inside, and I think we have to open it like this. And here is a micro USB to charge this, and let's keep this thing aside again. And here we get the extra pair of earbuds, 4 and 2 pairs. Okay, let's keep this aside. And this was all that was inside there. And here we get a user manual, I think. Let me open it. Okay, here is welcome to the crew, push the limits. We will keep it aside. And so here is the craftsman note. If you want to read this, you can read it also. So I am keeping it aside, and here is the user manual. So if you want to read this, you can also read it. We will throw it. So here are the earphones, and the quality seems to be nice. So here it is the badging of Mivi, and let me tell you how to start it up. And here you get the power on off button, and here are the volume rockers, plus minus, volume up, volume down. You have to long press this button and it will come in pairing mode, and lightweight, easy to use. And I think in here are the buds, Mivi. If you want to watch the unboxing of Mivi Roam to Bluetooth speaker, the link is in the description below. Okay, now let's test the sound quality. Let me listen, and I'll then tell you how is the sound quality. So after you put in the pairing mode, as I showed, you can connect it like this. Mivi Collar 2 connected. Now let's play a song. I'll open YouTube and NCS, and I'll tell you the sound quality. So now let's skip the ad, and I'll turn up the volume to full, and let me listen. You can see here's the magnet. I hope you can hear. Let me. So now let me put it on my neck and hear it. Okay. I'll tell you how is the sound. Okay, so guys, now talking about the sound quality of this Mivi Collar 2, the bass is pretty great, and I'll rate the bass 9.5 out of 10 at this price range. This is just amazing. And the sound quality was like overall I'll rate it 9 out of 10. So if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. The mic quality is also great in this. If you want to talk to anyone with your like with this, and here's the mic. Okay, the look is pretty great, and it is from Amazon, is in the description below. So I'll rate it 9 out of 10 at this price range. This is just amazing. So thanks for watching. Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and also watch Mivi Collar 1 unboxing and review. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. Peace.